What is up, guys? Check it out. We are back. Look, and it is dark. It is way later. Man, there's that train. It always gets me. That's a delayed one. Me and Justin were just talking about that. We thought it was over, but no, for sure it got me again. So whatever. But anyway, Trevor and I, we ended up going to Lowe's, clear up in Dunlap, and then back to Ace, all kinds of things. So it's later, but we've been working on this a little bit, and we're just gonna show you where we're at with it, guys, and what we got. So, man, I think that's one coming this way. It's a different train. See, as soon as I shoot the video, it doesn't matter. 2 trains, man. Whatever. But anyway, we're going to get you flipped around here, and we're going to check out what we got going on back here, because that's what everybody wants to see. Alright, guys. You can still hear it in the background. Train's rolling. Hopefully we can get by. As you can see here, we got it out. This was the rear manifold, guys, and this is what I was trying to build out of the copper tubing and piping and whatever, and it's like 400 bucks for this stuff. I was like, dude, you gotta be kidding me. And it is incredibly, this is heavy, guys, like for real. That's much as it weighs as much as a Buick. I can call a scrapyard and get 200 out of that alone. But this was the front manifold, and I'm pretty sure that the valves in this thing need rebuilt. Like, see that? I don't even know what that's about. Looks like somebody lodged a bolt in there. I think it's for an air pressure sensor or something like that. I'm not sure, but that's out of there. We did get most of the new manifold fitted. It's a little different here, guys. This last piece was like the other 3, and I twisted that. I have that in here. I'll show you. I've never really seen that, but I messed that up. So we had to go get some more fittings too. I didn't have 4 of the half-inch fittings. So each one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, will go to the airbags. We got it plugged up here in the back. Those may come out. I may put some I don't know, like a pressure switch or something in there. I'm not really sure. Maybe a pressure gauge. We might leave that inside. I'm not really sure yet. But we have the wire harness to hook up in both the inlets. So we're going to see how that goes, guys. But before we do all that and that gets done, but this is ready. But before that gets done, guys, we have a lot of work over here. We got this out, and we managed to get that far, but it needs some work. So before we get quite to that, I'm going to show you guys right here. This is the fitting, and I don't know if you guys can tell in this video, but it is definitely oblong shaped, and I'm not really sure what happened there. I think maybe I didn't have a solid connection here with my wrench on the side of the pipe, and when I turned it, it just warped it, or I don't know, man. Like, that didn't work, so I had to get a different fitting, so that wasn't all that great. So that's junk. Let's see what else we're recovering. Oh, yeah. We had to drill here to get one of the bolts out. You see this pretty little mess. Justin ended up with one in his finger. You know, that's what you get when you have money counting hands. Damn, watch me. I'll get one stuck too. Talking crap. But anyway, it was, nope, not that one. Oh, well, we drilled it out. So
the head of it's like that.
The head of it is, yeah. It was all rounded off. It was real bad, guys. So we just, well, Justin did it actually, because I tried all kinds of crap, prying it out, just stupid stuff. Justin grabbed a drill bit and it went right through. That worked real good. So everybody applaud Justin Hunsberger. That was a nice help. But man, looks like that's dying. But we got the compressor all disconnected here. That is probably just coming straight up from my battery. That's coming off a switch. That's going to get redone. It was a solenoid system. And this is up, guys. The tanks. And you can see this slop. This is what came out of the tanks, guys. I wonder what that tastes like. Ooh, not so good. Not so good, but we're going to leave that there. So the old stuff's out, guys. There's the airlines. We got them all taped off. That was the ground they had. I don't want to lose it and forget about it, because I'm pretty sure it goes to the chassis somewhere. So we're going to get a new one. And this is the wires going to the switches inside. So that'll get rewired to the manifold harness in that little bit. So that's what we got going on tonight. I think I'm going to call it good for the night with this. We'll probably drag this out of here and pick the stuff up and be done for the night with this and get ready to move on to other things. But that's what we got going on, guys. I got these glasses on my head. I can't see anything with those. Justin Hunsberger's here, hanging out, helping out. Always good to have everybody. And back there, let's see right there it is. Ooh, you can kind of see it. It's the Trump truck. He's got it back there. Trap Blazer. It's all sitting here, guys. This is what we're doing tonight. It's warm. It's beautiful. It's one of the nicest nights we've had. And we're just out here and doing what we love and enjoying it. So that's what it is, guys. Keep on trapping, and we will see you in the next clip.